Today we are going to start session number 1 of chapter number 13, surface areas and volume. Okay, so let us start with solid. What is solid is that the objects having definite shape and size are called solids. I repeat, the objects having definite shape and size are called solid. Okay, and a solid occupies a definite space. So you have already studied three types of solid, three types of 3D shapes in class 8, that is cuboid, cube and cylinder. Now these three solids are going to repeat. In first exercise we are going to do some problems based on cuboid and cube. Already class 8 में कर चुके हो. And in the second exercise we will do the questions based on cylinder. Okay, I repeat, first exercise is based on cuboid and cube only surface area, and the second exercise cylinder surface area, right? So what is the lateral surface area of cuboid? Last year पढ़े हो?
So 2H into L plus B.
Very good. Solids like matchbox, chalk box, tile, book, almirah, room, etc. are in the shape of cuboid. Okay, so we'll see one figure, rough figure. This is L, this is breadth, and this is H. And lateral surface area, the formula is perimeter into height. I repeat, perimeter into height. So what is the perimeter of the base into height? What is the perimeter of base? This is L and this is B. What is the perimeter? This is rectangular shape.
2L plus 2.
L plus B.
Yes, 2 into L plus B. And into height. Height is H. So for cuboid, we are going to denote length by L, breadth by B, and height by H. So first formula is lateral surface area, and the formula is perimeter of base into height. So that is 2 into L plus B into height. This formula is also known as area of 4 walls. Take it? Area of 4 walls. Now, what is the total surface area? What is the total surface area?
2
So
into LB plus BH plus HL.
Very good. 2 into LB plus BH plus LH square units. Already class 8 में पढ़ चुके हैं. Okay. Now, one more formula is there. The length of the diagonal. The length of the diagonal is root over L square plus B square plus H square. And you have studied volume also. What is the formula of volume of cuboid?
Sir, length into breadth into height.
Very good. So volume is length into breadth into height, cubic units. Okay. ध्यान से सुनो. First exercise cuboid, second exercise cylinder, third exercise cone, fourth exercise sphere and hemisphere. All these 4 exercise only based on surface area. Okay. और उसके बाद जो 4 exercise है, that means 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, completely based on volume. Okay, so 5th exercise जो है वो है volume of cuboid and cube based. Okay, now let us move towards one more formula. I already told you that the diagonal of cuboid. The diagonal is given by this formula, root over L square plus B square plus H square. Okay, so now let us have a look for the formula of cube. Solids like ice cubes, sugar cubes and dice etc. are in the shape of cube. So this is the rough figure of cube. A is the length of edge. Okay, and what is the perimeter of base here? Perimeter of base. It is all the faces are of square, or on all the faces of cube is a square. So what is the perimeter of this square?
4A.
4A. Fine. And what is the height of this square? This cube? A. So 4A into A. That means 4A square is the lateral surface area. Any doubt?
No,
Okay. So A, or we can say area of 4 walls in case of cube. Now what is the total surface area?
Sir, 6 square.
Very good, 6a square. And what is the volume of cube?
A cube.
A cube, right. And the diagonal in case of cube is a square plus a square plus a square under root. I repeat once again, a square plus a square, same formula use कर रहा हूँ जो cuboid का था. Okay, so this will become 3 times a square, and if you take square root you will get root 3a. Any doubt in this formula?
No, sir.
Okay, now I will ask one question. What is the area of wall, 4 walls in case of cuboid? Area of 4 walls in case of cuboid.
LB plus BH plus
LSA, I am asking lateral surface area. Lateral surface area of cuboid means area of 4 walls. So that is 2 into L plus B into H. ठीक है? And area of 4 walls in case of cube is 4a square. Any doubt in this topic, in this concept?
No, sir.
Okay. One more formula I told you about lateral surface area is perimeter of base into height. Okay. So that these formulas you have to keep in your mind. So now we are going to start the first exercise, first question. A plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep. Now see, these two units are in meter and this is in centimeter. So you have to change either these two in centimeter or this in meter. Okay, is to be made. It is to be open at the top. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine first the area of the sheet required for making the box, the cost of sheet for it. If a sheet measuring 1 meter square cost rupees 20. So let us start with the rough diagram. This is the length, this is the breadth, and this is the height. Now height we have to write in meter. Okay, so length of the plastic is given, that is L 1.5 meter, and breadth is given 1.25 meter and depth is given 65 centimeter. इसको क्या करेंगे हम लोग, मीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. So how will you convert to it to meter? 65 divided by 100. So 0.65 meter. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, ठीक है. अभी यहाँ पर हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, एरिया ऑफ शीट रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द बॉक्स है. तो ये टॉप में हम लोग प्लास्टिक यूज नहीं कर रहे हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि ये ओपन एट द टॉप दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में. देखो, ओपन एट द टॉप, राइट. तो ये क्या होगा, L इंटू बी. L इंटू बी. तो L इंटू बी दो आता है, एक बॉटम में आता है और एक टॉप में आता है. सो ओनली वन वी हैव टू टेक. So area of the sheet required for making the box open at the top is area of 4 walls, that is lateral surface area, plus area of bottom. So this is the lateral surface area plus area of bottom. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll substitute all the values. 1.25 into 65 by 100 plus 65 by 100 into 1.5 प्लस 1.5 इंटू 1.2h. हम लोग चाहे तो इसकी जगह पे ये वाला भी फॉर्मूला लिख सकते थे, 2 इंटू एल प्लस बी इंटू एच. सो 65 बाई 100 एक ही बार सब्सटीट्यूट करना पड़ता. ओके, तो ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं, राइट. नाउ द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, इफ यू सिंप्लीफाई दिस पार्ट, इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके डिवाइड बाय 100 करोगे तो 0.1825 आ रहा है. अगेन इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई दिस एंड डिवाइड बाय 100 यू विल गेट 0.975 plus the product of these two is 1.875. now add these two, then multiply it with 2. if you add these two you will get 1.7875 multiplied with 2, then add with 1.875. तो मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 2 करोगे तो 3.575 आ रहा है. नाउ ऐड दिस टू, यू विल गेट 5.45 मीटर स्क्वायर. So थोड़ा सा calculation part है. It will take time for calculating in decimal. Okay, and the first bit is over. Now the second bit we have to find the total cost of the sheet if the rate of cost is given per meter square is rupees 20. So second bit, cost of 1 meter square sheet is given rupees 20. So the total cost will be equals to 5.45 into 20. Okay, if you multiply you will get 109. Any doubt in first question?
No, sir.
Okay. Now second question. See, second question is very good question. The length, breadth, height of the room is given, and we have to find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room, 4 walls, and the ceiling at the rate of rupees 7.50 per meter square. So first of all we will write LBH. Okay. Next, area of 4 walls, we know that it is lateral surface area. And what is the lateral surface area? 2 into L plus B into H. Okay. Right. Now we'll substitute 2 into 2, 4 plus 5 into 3. So the answer देखो 2 into 9, 18 into 3, 54. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now area of ceiling. Area of ceiling is into L into B. L into B means 4 into 5. 5 into 4, that is 20 meters square. So now the total surface area, total area of whitewashing will be 50 plus 20. That is 74 meters square. Okay. Now this is one way. Otherwise you can do directly also. कैसे direct करेंगे? Area of walls and ceiling of a room is equals to LSA. This is LSA plus area of top. Area of top is L into B. ये फॉर्मूला डायरेक्ट यूज करके 74 ला सकते हैं. इफ यू यूज यू विल गेट डायरेक्टली 74. ओके. नाउ कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 मीटर स्क्वायर इज गिवन 7.50 rupees. So total cost will be 74 into 7.50. So if you multiply you will get 555 rupees. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
ये समझ में आ गया ना? ऐसा डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हो और ये अलग अलग करके भी ऐड कर सकते हो. Right. Now the third question. The floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter 250 meter. Rectangular hall means this is the floor, perimeter of base. Please keep in your mind. If the cost of painting the 4 walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square is 15,000, find the height of the hall. So एक क्वेश्चन मैं पूछ रहा हूं. सपोज रेट दिया हुआ है, ध्यान से देखो. द रेट इज गिवन रुपीज 10 per meter square. Okay, and suppose we got area is equals to 200. Suppose 200 meters square. So what is the total cost?
2,000 rupees.
What is the total cost?
Area into rate.
Total cost will be a 200 into 10. Okay na? Correct hai na?
Yes, sir.
I am writing
Yes, sir.
A into R in short. Okay, area into rate. Now suppose total cost is given and rate is given. How will you find area?
Total cost divided by rate.
Very good. So here also, see, this is the total cost and this is the rate. If you divide you will get area of 4 walls. Correct? Whether this example is clear, I am correlating with this example only.
Yes, sir.
If this is area and this is rate and this is total cost, If you divide total cost by rate, you will get area of 4 walls. Clear?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So now we are going to start. Let the length of the rectangular wall is L meter and breadth is B meter. So perimeter of the rectangular hall is 2 into L plus B, that is given 250 meter. Let it be equation number 1. Okay. Now the total cost is given 15,000 and the rate is given rupees 10 per meter square. Now just now I explained that area of 4 walls you will get total cost upon rate, that is 15,000 upon 10. So we'll get 1,500 meter square. Let it be equation number 2. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Now area of 4 walls का एक और फॉर्मूला मैंने बताया था. What is that? Perimeter of base into height. That is lateral surface area. Correct? So let height of the hall be h. So area of 4 walls, that is lateral surface area, is equals to perimeter into h. Perimeter into h, and this value we have already have 250. Okay, and this is equals to 1500 using equation number 2. So 250 into h is equals to 1500 using equation 1, this one. Now what is the value of h?
6 meters square.
1500 upon 250, that is 6 meter, right? Hence the height of the hall is 6 meter. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, so now we'll move towards question number 4. The paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 meters square. How many bricks of dimensions 22.5 centimeter 10 by 10 centimeter by 7.5 centimeter can be painted out of this container? Okay, I will give one example. Suppose I can paint 100 meter square paint with जो भी मेरे पास है, ठीक है. मैं बहुत बड़ा बड़ा बॉक्स को पेंट कर रहा हूँ. आई एम पेंटिंग अ बिग बॉक्सेस एंड आई कैन पेंट टोटल 100 मीटर स्क्वायर एंड द टोटल area of box is 5 meter square. How many box I can paint? Yes, very good. So this is the amount of paint we have to paint, and this is the paint required for one brick. Okay, so हम लोग यहाँ पर भी यही काम करेंगे. This divided by volume of one brick, but unit should be same. Fine. So let us start with the length of the brick, that is L 22.5 centimeter, breadth 10 centimeter, and height is 7.5 centimeter. Now we are going to find the total surface area of one brick. What is the total surface area formula?
2 into LB plus BH plus HL.
Very good. 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, or yeah, LH. Now we'll substitute all the values. Okay, this will become 225, this will become 75, and this will become in decimal, that is 168.75. अब ये तीनों को ऐड करके into 2 करेंगे. देखो ये दोनों 300 हो गया. 300 means 468.75 into 2. So we'll get 737.5 centimeter square. But यहाँ पे मीटर स्क्वायर है. हाउ विल यू कन्वर्ट सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर टू मीटर स्क्वायर?
Sir, by dividing it by 100.
Divided by 100.
ओके फाइन. सेंटीमीटर को जब मीटर में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हो तो डिवाइड बाय 100 है, बट यहाँ पे सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर है, 2 सेंटीमीटर है. सो हम लोग को क्या करना पड़ेगा? 2 बार 100 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. ये क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
क्यूब रहता है तो 3 बार. if it be cube then we have to divide it by 3 times. अब यहाँ पे स्क्वायर है इसलिए हम लोग इसको 2 बार डिवाइड करेंगे. और if you want to write, you can write in square. Okay, why? Because 1 centimeter is equals to 1 upon 100 meter. So we'll get 10 divided by 10,000. सो 10,000 मतलब यहाँ पे डेसिमल कहाँ पर आएगा देखो, 5 प्लेस, 1 2 3 4 5, ओके क्लियर है?
Yes,
हाँ
sir.
40 है, सॉरी 4 प्लेस मतलब यहाँ पर आएगा, 40 मीन्स यहाँ पर आएगा, ओके फाइन। एनी डाउट?
No, sir.
अब इसको और इसको डिवाइड करेंगे हम लोग, देन वी विल गेट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ ब्रिक्स. So number of bricks to be painted upon paint available in container to paint this one, and area of brick to be painted. Whether this is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 9.375 upon this, you will get the answer. अब ये काम करते दोनों का डेसिमल हटाते हैं, इसको लिख सकते हैं डिवाइडेड बाय 1000 और इसका 10,000 ऊपर जाएगा. So we can write in this way. If any doubt is here, let me know.
No, sir.
ये वाला जो है ना, इसका डेसिमल हटाने के लिए ये वाला है, और for this one is there. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes.
this 330 you cancel, and this also you can cancel. So what is the answer?
100.
100. Very good.
100.
So hence 100 bricks can be painted out of the paint given in the container. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Fine. Now fifth question. A cubical box has edge 10 centimeter and another cuboidal box. Cubical box क्यूब के फॉर्म में, cuboidal cuboid के फॉर्म में, 12.5 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide and 8 centimeter high. Which box has the greater lateral surface area and by how much? First bit. Second bit, which box has the smaller total surface area and by how much? Question is clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So we will start finding the lateral surface area of cube also, cuboid also. So first we will find cube, cubical box, cube. So what is the formula for lateral surface area?
4 square.
4a square, क्योंकि यहाँ पे l लिखे इसलिए 4l square लिखेंगे, ठीक है? 4l square, so 4 into 10 square, 4 into 100. Okay, so 4 into 100 will be 400 centimeter square. So this is the lateral surface area of cubical box. Now what is the lateral surface area of cuboidal box?
2h into L.
Into L plus B.
2 into L plus B into H. Okay, right? So length is given 10 centimeter, breadth is 12.5 centimeter, and height is 8 centimeter. So lateral surface area is nothing but area of 4 walls, that is 2 into L plus B into H. Now 2 into 10 plus 12.5 into 8. So this is 22.5 into 2 will be 45 into 8. Okay, 45 into 8 you will get 360 centimeter square. So which box has the greater lateral surface area? 400 or 360?
400.
By how much?
400.
By how much?
40 centimeters
40
square.
centimeter square. Very good. So we will write from equation 1 and 2. It is observed that cubical box has the greater lateral surface area than cuboidal box by 400 minus 360 centimeter square. That is 40 centimeter square. Any doubt in first bit?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we'll start the second bit. Second bit में किसका total surface area कम है वो बताना है. So we have to find the total surface area of both boxes. So first cubical box, that is 6L square. L is 10, so 6 into 10 square. 10 square is 100. So what you are getting total surface area?
600.
600.
Yes, 600 centimeter square. Now total surface area of cuboidal box, the formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH, yeah, HL. Right, now we will substitute all the values. 2 into 10 into 1, 12.5, 12.5 into 8 and 8 into 10. So ये 125 हो जाएगा and this will become 180. Okay, so if you add all this, you will get 305 into 2, that is 610 centimeter square. So whose total surface area is less?
Cubical box.
Cubical
Right. By
box.
how much? By how much?
10
10
centimeters.
centimeters.
10 centimeter
Very
square.
good. So from 3 and 4, it is observed that the cubical box has the smaller total surface area than the cuboidal box by 610 minus 600, that is 10 centimeters square. Any doubt in this question?
No,
No,
Okay.
sir.
Now, the sixth question. A small indoor greenhouse herbarium is made entirely of glass panes, including base also. That means total, full pack. Held together with tape. ग्लास को टेप से हम लोग चिपका रहे हैं एडजेस में. ओके, सो इट इज 30 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग, 25 सेंटीमीटर वाइड and 25 centimeter high. What is the area of glass? What is the area of glass? What we have to find? एरिया ऑफ ग्लास के लिए क्या फाइंड करना है? फुल पैक है ये बेस में भी.
Sir, total surface area.
Very good. We have to find total surface area. So first we will write LBH. So length is 30 centimeter, breadth is 25 centimeter and height is 25 centimeter. So total surface area of the glass is the formula 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Now we'll substitute all the values. So 2 into 30 into 25, this will be 25 into 25 and this will be 25 into 30. So 750, 625, 750. 750, 750, 1500 हो जाएगा. फिर ये टोटल करेंगे तो 2125. If you multiply, what you are getting?
4,250.
Right, very good. 4250 centimeter square. So this is the total area of the glass. Okay. Now, how many edges are there in cuboid? Cuboid में कितने edges होते हैं? 12. Already question में भी दिया हुआ है. So out of 12 edges, 4 are length, 4 are breadth, and 4 are height. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Right. So tape is used at 12 edges, that is 4 lengths, 4 breadths, and 4 heights. So total length of the tape will be 4L plus 4B plus 4H. Whether this is clear, we'll take 4 common. ये clear है सब? किसी को कोई doubt तो नहीं है?
No, sir.
Okay,
No,
now
sir.
we'll substitute the values. 4 into 30 plus 25 plus 25. See, this is 80. So what is the final answer?
320.
Right, 320 centimeter. Hence, 320 centimeter of the tape is needed to fix 12 edges of herbarium. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Now we'll move towards question number 7. Only one more question is left, but this is very lengthy question. Shanti Sweets stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. 2 sizes of boxes were required. The bigger of dimension is 25 centimeter by 20 centimeter by 5 centimeter. This is the bigger box. And the smaller box, the dimension is 15 centimeter by 12 centimeter by 5 centimeter. So first वाला L होता है, second वाला B होता है और third वाला H. And for all the overlaps, 5% of the total surface area is required extra. Suppose 100 centimeter square हम लोग का total surface area आ रहा है, तो 5% उसमें और add करना है. 5% means 5 centimeter square. If the cost of the cardboard is rupees 4 for 1000 centimeter square, find the cost of cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. So हम लोग को क्या करना है, पहले बिगर बॉक्स के लिए टोटल कॉस्ट निकालना है, स्मॉलर बॉक्स के लिए टोटल कॉस्ट निकालना है, देन वी हैव टू ऐड बोथ द कॉस्ट. Question is clear to you? Clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the big box. Okay. Length is given 25 centimeter, breadth is given 20, and height is given 5. Right. So क्योंकि बड़ा बॉक्स है इसलिए सब कैपिटल में लिखे हैं. So what is the total surface area? Total surface area is there? Formula?
2 into LB plus BH plus HL.
Why? Fine. 2 into LB plus BH plus LH, HL. Yeah, LH. Substitute all the values. So we are getting 500, 100, 125. ठीक है? Okay, 725 into 2. So 1450 centimeter square. अब ये हो गया total surface area. And in the question it is given that 5% extra we have to add up. तो 5% इसका निकालना पड़ेगा. How will you find 5% of 1450?
5 by 100 into 1400.
Very good, very good. So 5% extra surface of total surface area is required for all the overlaps. So 5% of 1450 centimeter square is 5 upon 100 into 1450. So 1 0 we can cancel, और ये भी 5 यहाँ पे कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. So 145 by 2, that we are getting 72.5 centimeter square. ओके. अब ये दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तब हम लोग का एक कार्ड बॉक्स, बड़ा कार्ड बॉक्स का एरिया निकल जाएगा. राइट, वी विल ऐड बोथ. So on adding we are getting 1522.5 centimeter square of total surface area of one bigger card box. How many card box required? 250. So 250 से multiply करेंगे इसको. Okay. So if you multiply it with 250, we are getting 3,80,625 centimeter square. Now cost of 1000 centimeter square is given rupees 4. So 1 centimeter square कितना हो जाएगा? यहाँ पे डिवाइड कर दो. 4 upon 1000. Clear? So this
Yes.
much centimeter square is there. So we have to multiply. Whether this step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now what you can do, अब यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा मैं ट्रिक बता रहा हूँ. इसको as it is अगर ऐसा रखोगे, for example, if you put like that without multiplying, क्योंकि हम लोग को यहाँ पे total surface area निकालना नहीं है. So my suggestion is that you write in this form only. Why? Because this 2 you can easily cancel. 4. Again this 2 4 also you can cancel it. So answer यहीं पे दिख रहा है. कितना आंसर है?
1522.5.
राइट. सो मुझे देखो कैलकुलेटर की जरूरत नहीं पड़ा, रफर की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ा, तो इसलिए यहाँ पे टोटल नहीं करना है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे अगर टोटल कर भी लिए तो इसको लिखना डायरेक्ट यहाँ पर, तब इजिली कैलकुलेशन होगा. एनी हाउ वी गॉट द टोटल कॉस्ट फॉर बिगर बॉक्स. अब स्मॉलर बॉक्स के लिए निकालना है. सो थोड़ा एक रफ डायग्राम बना लेते हैं. ये स्मॉलर बॉक्स है. Length is 15 centimeter, breadth is 12 centimeter, and height is 5 centimeter. जैसा हम लोग किए बिगर बॉक्स के लिए, the process, same process we will apply for the smaller box. So first we will find the total surface area of one box by using this formula. Now substitute. अब यहाँ पे small box है इसलिए मैंने क्या किया, small l, small b, small h, right? Now substitute all the values. So this will become 180, 60, 75. Add all this, then multiply it with 2. So we are getting 630 centimeter square. ये हो गया टोटल सरफेस एरिया. अब हम लोग को क्या करना है, इसका 5% निकालना है. So 5% हम लोग कैसे निकालेंगे? 5 upon 100 into 630. So 10 you can cancel. किसी का माइक ऑन है देखो, यहाँ पे डिवाइड कर दिए. So 63 by 2 you will get 31.5 centimeter square. अब ये ऐड अप करना है 630 के साथ में. Okay, so we'll get 661.5 centimeter square for one smaller card box. How many smaller card box we have to make? 250. So we'll multiply with 250. So मैं यहाँ पर भी multiply नहीं करना है, हालांकि मैं यहाँ पे कर दिया हूँ, बट ये वाला नहीं पार्ट नहीं करना है. ठीक है. Now same step. Cost of 1000 centimeter square is ₹4 and cost of 1 centimeter square is 4 upon 1000. Then we have to multiply. अब देखो इसके जगह पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे, 661.5 into 250 लिखेंगे. ओके, तो ये कैंसिल हो गया 4, फिर ये 4 कैंसिल. सो व्हाट इज द टोटल कॉस्ट?
661.5.
राइट. अब वो दोनों को ऐड करेंगे हम लोग. सो टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ द बोथ द कार्ड बॉक्स required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind will be this plus this, and this is the final answer, 2184. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, now this is the last question. Parvin wanted to make a temporary shelter for her car by making a box-like structure with tarpaulin that covers all the 4 sides and the top of the car, with the front face as flap, ऐसे flap करने के लिए, which can be rolled up. Assuming that the stitching margins are very small and therefore negligible, how much tarpaulin would be required to make the shelter of height 2.5 meter, and this is base dimension L into B. ठीक है. अभी हम लोग tarpaulin जो बना रहे, शेल्टर बना रहे हैं, उसमें ग्राउंड को नहीं लेना है. ठीक है, फ्लोर बॉटम को नहीं लेना, केवल एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल्स और टॉप. सो पहले तो LBH लिख लिए पूरा. सो हाउ मच tarpaulin इज रिक्वायर्ड, दैट इज सरफेस एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल्स, दिस इज एरिया ना, surface area of 4 walls and area of roof, that is top. So 2 into L plus B into H plus LB. Now substitute all the values. So ये हो जाएगा 7 into 5, that is 35 plus 12. So final answer 47 meters square. So this is the final answer, hence 47 meters square of the tarpaulin is required to make the shelter for the car. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So this is the last question of today's session, and now we are moving towards the next section, assignment questions. So only 4 questions are there. Please take the screenshot because शाम को अपलोड करने में थोड़ा टाइम हो सकता है, क्योंकि एक्सपोर्टिंग और अपलोडिंग है, और स्कूल में मैं ले रहा हूँ क्लास. ओके, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.